Hey guys, welcome to my channel and my mini garden. I know you must be wondering like what's going on here. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to make the mint leaf hairspray. The history of mint leaves in hair products can be traced way back in ancient times. So the only ingredient that we'll be using to make our leave-in hairspray is the mint leaves. So at this point my mint leaves are already washed, and the reason is that fresh leaves are different from dry ones. Because they are fresh, you need to wash them to remove the dirt, because we don't need dirt in our hair, right? So I already separated the leaves from the branches. You can get mint leaves from your local market, or you can also go to the supermarket and get yourself dry mint leaves. I will give you a tip that will help you save some coins. So after you remove the leaves from the many branches, plant them like I did, and they grow really fast, so that you don't have to buy mint leaves at all. Guys, there's a reason why mint leaves are used in so many different beauty products, including face wash, shampoos, and hair conditioners. Mint is extremely beneficial for your skin, and mint possesses a lot of many therapeutic qualities. Mint leaves is loaded with numerous benefits that help you treat sunburned skin, and if you have an itchy scalp, this is a good to go leave-in spray. Mint is rich in antimicrobial, I don't know if the pronunciation is right, I just put it up on the screen, and antifungal properties which help treat many scalp issues, especially dandruff. Therefore, this prevents the growth of any unwanted bacteria or infection. Mint is known to help in promoting hair growth. This is because it reduces hair fall. It is also known to add shine to our hair and reduce breakage. There are other many benefits that the mint leaves offer. For example, it treats digestion, and also I'm sure you have noticed that most toothpaste have mint in it. This is because mint leaves can help freshen your breath instantly. And please guys, let me know in the comment section if you've ever used hair products that contains mint in it, and let me know what your experience was. Okay guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope you found value in this content. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Bye.